Okay, these are the standard people of Tripura. So we are not getting any shelter from anywhere so far, and we are being asked to vacate the place as soon as possible. As you can see, number of people are coming now, and these are the people, those who are homeless, and they received the e-passes, but they were still being not able to go. They were being sent back, and as you can see them. So, and as you can see, there are a lot more coming. So we are not getting any help from anybody. We tried our best. For volunteers, our best. We have tried to get the shelter from any source, whether it is government or non-government or NGO. But since most of the places are being filled, so we are not getting any help from anybody, as you can see here. दो मिनट हम लोग आ रहे हैं और भी कोशिश कर रहे हैं. सर गुड इवनिंग, दिस इज़ जॉन फ्रॉम बेंगलोर. सर देखिए हालत क्या हो रहा है. हमें कहीं भी शेल्टर नहीं मिल रहा है. हम लोगों ने ट्राई किया और कोई मिनिस्टर भी कॉल नहीं कर रहा है. हम लोग अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लेकिन फिर भी कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है सर. हमारे यहाँ पे जहाँ तक डेटा है 400 लोग के करीब हैं सर. तो प्लीज़ हेल्प अस विद दिस सर. थैंक यू.